Well, apparently we made a cliffhanger with part one of our instrument cluster that we sent off to circuit board medics. People were asking me, well, did you get it back? Did it work? And can we see the installation of it back into your car? And that's what we're going to do now. We just received it and they cleaned up the glass for us and looks like they've done a pretty good job. Let's go install it. Let me pull this down. This plugs in right here. You'll see it. Okay. Line up the screws. All right, now she's in. Let's give it a test.
Okay, looks like the water temperature and the fuel are working. Now we'll take on the road, try the speedometer. Looks like it's working.
Looks like circuit board medics really did the trick. We've been able to get it back in and everything works great. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.